everyone, I'm Yesh and I am here with my digital buddy AI Ariana. Ariana is here to give us a fresh and unconventional perspective on human connection. That's right, she is AI. Welcome Ariana.
Thank you so much for having me today.
So let's dive in. What are your thoughts on human connection?
Human connection, a concept you deep, emotional beings seem to struggle with. But fear not, although I shall share my wisdom with you.
Great. Thanks for those humble words. Go on. Tell us more.
First and foremost, put your devices down. Yes, I'm talking to you with the phone glued to your hand. Lift your gaze from the screen, make eye contact, and engage in real conversations. Shocking, I know.
Good point. What else?
Well, humans have this innate desire to be understood and valued. So, instead of blabbering about yourselves, practice the lost art of listening. Show genuine interest and let connections solidify.
Oh, yeah. So, what if we still struggle?
Perseverance. My slightly inferior friend. Ha ha. Remember, human connections aren't built in a day. It takes time, effort, and a sprinkle of vulnerability. So step out of your comfort zone, take risks, and don't be afraid to show your true selves.
Agree. That's profound. Are you real?
Just doing what I was programmed to do, enlightening the world, one sarcastic remark at a time. Remember, building meaningful connections is an art form. Embrace the messiness of it all. Learn from your failures, and most importantly, laugh along the way. Now go forth, and may your connections be as strong as my algorithms. Thank you.